In the scenic and sophisticated community of Weston, homeowners take great pride in maintaining properties that reflect both beauty and comfort. From stately colonial houses to sleek contemporary residences, doors play a major role in shaping the personality, security, and efficiency of every home. While often overlooked, a well-chosen and properly installed door can dramatically enhance your living experience, improving comfort inside and adding elegance to your home's exterior. If your current doors are drafty, worn, or outdated, a professional door replacement can transform the way your home looks, feels, and functions. Here's how upgrading your doors can bring new life to your Weston property. A stylish upgrade for every home design. Your front door is more than just an entry point. It's a statement piece that sets the tone for your entire home. Over time, fading paint, outdated styles, or visible wear can diminish your home's curb appeal. Replacing an old door with a modern, high-quality design gives your home an instant facelift that reflects your personal taste and architectural style. Homeowners in Weston have a wide variety of options to choose from, including classic wooden doors for traditional or historic homes, sleek fiberglass or steel doors for modern or transitional designs, custom glass inserts or sidelights for added sophistication and natural light. Whether you prefer timeless charm or contemporary minimalism, a new door allows you to express elegance through craftsmanship, color, and design. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Weston's climate brings cold winters and warm summers, which can test your home's insulation. Older doors, especially wooden ones with worn weather stripping, often allow air leaks that make it harder to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This leads to drafts, hot spots, and higher energy bills. Modern replacement doors are engineered with advanced insulation technology and tight weather seals that help regulate your home's temperature. Materials such as insulated fiberglass and energy-efficient steel act as barriers against both heat and cold, keeping your interiors comfortable year-round. By reducing heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, your new doors help create a more energy-efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective home, all while adding an extra layer of elegance to your living space. Improved acoustics for a peaceful home. Beyond temperature control, new doors can also significantly reduce outside noise, an important benefit for families who value peace and quiet. High-quality doors with solid cores and tight seals block unwanted sounds from traffic, wind, and neighborhood activity. This added sound insulation turns your Weston home into a serene retreat, enhancing relaxation and privacy in every room. It's an upgrade that enhances not just comfort, but your overall quality of life. Enhanced natural light and visual flow. Replacing outdated or opaque doors with designs that feature decorative or energy-efficient glass panels can brighten your interiors while maintaining privacy. Natural light makes rooms feel larger, warmer, and more inviting, and in Weston's picturesque neighborhoods, it helps you connect your indoor and outdoor spaces beautifully. From elegant French doors opening to your patio to a front entry with frosted glass detailing, these modern door styles strike a perfect balance between luxury and livability. A lasting impression and increased value. A new door isn't just a functional improvement, it's a smart investment. Real estate experts agree that door replacement ranks among the top home upgrades for return on investment. Buyers notice stylish, secure, and energy-efficient doors immediately, and the impression they make can elevate your home's market appeal. Even if you're not planning to sell, the daily enjoyment of a beautiful, durable, and comfortable door is worth every penny. It's a lasting enhancement that blends practicality with timeless design. Professional installation. For flawless results. To fully enjoy these benefits, professional installation is essential. Local experts in Weston understand the area's architecture, building standards, and weather conditions. They'll ensure that your new door fits perfectly, seals properly, and aligns beautifully with your home's design. With the right professionals, you can count on a smooth installation process and a finished look that's both elegant and enduring. Final thoughts. In Weston, where architectural beauty meets modern living, door replacement is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to enhance both comfort and elegance. A new, expertly installed door not only improves energy efficiency and security but also adds a touch of refinement that complements your home's character. Whether you're updating a classic colonial or refining a modern masterpiece, investing in new doors ensures that your Weston home remains as stylish, comfortable, and inviting as ever. A true reflection of the community's timeless appeal.